working conditions, and your setup there, your dipole and the amplifier is still working very, very well. As I say, you're
taking about 10 overnight.
You're, Victor, no problems at all to copy. Okay, Victor, I don't want to hold it, as I say, I don't want to tie it up. I know there's many stations waiting to call you. You have many friends on the radio. So with your permission, I'll wish you 73s, a good DX, and I hope we have the propagation and the opportunity to speak some more in the future. So the microphone back to you for a possible final. Thank you very much, Victor, and very happy to hear you today. That's 73s from Ireland to Romania. 233, Mike Uniform 106, 29 WT 200.